So your 5a is a normal differentiation question. I'm going to use my quotient rule. So I shall keep the bottom, multiply, differentiate the top, minus, copy the top, then differentiate the denominator, which is a negative 1. When you finish your quotient or product rule, try to take out the common factor because it'll be easier to solve it later on. So I'm going to factorize out my x plus 2. I have 2p minus 2x minus, this is a negative, becomes a positive, x plus 2 over p minus x power 2. I'm going to simplify this negative 2x plus x first. So the final answer, I'll leave it as a product, so I won't expand out. And the structure of this answer will help you in your next part. So it's said that your graph is increasing. Keyword increasing. Increasing means the graph is going upwards. It's a gradient wordings. So now your dy dx, because the graph is increasing, dy dx is more than 0. So your whole of part 1's answer is actually more than 0. So they say that if I solve this, my answer is between negative 2 and 8. Now, so let's go back to the concept of increasing again. So if it's increasing, then my part 1's answer is actually more than 0. So you follow the instruction, see the keyword you solve first. But we understand that the bottom being a perfect square is always a positive number. Therefore, the only chance to be more than 0 is the numerator that is more than 0. 2p minus x plus 2 more than 0. But if you recall the structure of this, remember I call this a sandwich answer. So if I get the step before that, if I backtrack, okay? If I backtrack, negative 2 is x plus 2, 8 is x minus 8, and then less than 0. So from this presentation, you know that you must have a less than 0 and you must have a positive x. Now the structure is different. Now it's an x and negative x. Mine is more than 0. So I will multiply negative on both sides. In particular, this bracket, I'm going to multiply negative 1. Then on both sides, so multiply negative 1 on the left hand side. But you remember when you multiply negative number, you can only multiply to one of the product. Which means that x plus 2, I will keep it as it is. And remember to change the sign. So I repeat, both sides actually multiplied by negative 1 already. Okay, both sides. Now the structure is exactly the same. It's a positive x, then it's a less than 0, which means that we expected that the x minus 8 to be equals to this actually. So one more time, your x minus 8 is actually equals to x minus 2 minus 2p, which means that your 8 must be 2 plus 2p. So p equals to 3.